Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding a widget called Model Viewer widget in Odoo. So if you check the default Odoo source code, you won't see such a widget because it's a third party widget. So this module is available for free and it is provided by the OCA. So if you go to the Odoo App Store or if you check the OCA repository or OCA shop, you can see a widget called Model Viewer widget. So here you can see this is from the Odoo App Store, Model Viewer widget provided by OCA. And if I come to our Odoo instance, so here you can see in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 12 community edition where we are continuing all our development tutorials. So what I have done is that I have already installed the hospital module in this database. So yet if you haven't got this module, you can just download it from the Odoo App Store or you can get it from our GitHub repository. So to illustration purpose of this video, I have made some slight changes inside the code. I have added some new fields and added this widget. So if I go to the hospital and then to the appointments, and if I switch to the list view, here you can see we have got around 6 appointments, and if I open any of the appointment, here you can see I have added a new page called Model Viewer. And if I go to that page, here you can see we have got an image, and you can see if I change my mouse, as I am moving the mouse, you can see that image is also getting moved. Also I can zoom in and zoom out. So this is the new field that I have added along with this widget. So the module provides this functionality. So here you can see we can change it to full mode and I can zoom in and zoom out, so that like a 3D view of an image. So let's discuss about how to add such a field and add this functionality into your Odoo instance. So it can be a lot of use case. You might have get some task to show us the client, or like we know we have products in Odoo, and there might be some case where we have to provide the 3D view of the products inside the screen. So in such cases we can use such a widget in Odoo. So here you can see we can see all the parts, and I can zoom in to see what happens and zoom out, and simply you can click here to zoom out. So this is the functionality that we are going to talk about. So this is simple and straightforward. We just need to define a binary field and give the corresponding widget to it. So here you can see it's automatically getting rotated. So let's see what I have done so far. So first of all, I have downloaded this module from here and I have added into my custom add-ons path. So if I go to the PyCharm, here you can see this is my custom add-ons path. So if I expand, here you can see web widget model viewer. So this is the module that provide us the corresponding widget. So if I go to the manifest file, you can see easily display interactive 3D models on the web and in AR, that is augmented reality. And if you read the readme.rst file, here you can see model viewer is a web component that makes rendering interactive 3D models optionally in AR. You can simply read this, and what we have to do is that usage. In the usage, you can see add widget model viewer to your binary field in the form view. So we have to just define a binary field and we have to add widget equal to model viewer. So what I have done, first of all I will copy this name and I will add this to the manifest file, that is we have to specify it in the depends. So else there will be some issues if you install it. So I have added it in the depends of my module. So here you can see this is Odoo development tutorials module, and in its depends I am saying that I need web widget model viewer for the working of this module. So once we install OM hospital, this module also will get automatically installed. And then what I have done is in the models, in the appointment.py file, here you can see I have defined a new binary field called model viewer. That is model viewer is the technical name. The field type is binary, and I have simply given the string as model viewer. So this is what I have done inside the Python side. Simply defined a field of type binary. And in the XML, so and if I go to the views folder, and here you can see appointment.xml, and here you can see simply I have added a new page to the corresponding notebook that we have already added. So in your case, if you like to add inside a page, you can add it like this, or you can directly give field name equal to model viewer, that is I have given the technical name of the field as model viewer, so I have given it like this, field name equal to model viewer, and you can give this correctly, that is you have to give widget equal to model viewer. So once you done this, you will get such a functionality. In the user interface you will see we have added a model viewer page, and in it I have added the corresponding field. And from the user interface, first once I install the module, it seems very small, that is you can see if I go to apps menu, so I'll be doing that. So what we have done is we have simply defined a binary field and named it as model viewer, and in the corresponding view we have defined the corresponding field and add the widget model viewer. So let's restart the service. So once the service is restarted, you have to upgrade the corresponding module. So I'll be upgrading the module once again, and along with the field we can provide the style, like how much height it has to be, how much width it has to be, etc. you can give. So once I upgrade the module, you can see right now if I go to the hospital and then to the appointments, and if I switch to the list view and if I open this record, you can see it's coming small. So you can just give a little more big style, that is you can give some style attribute here, that is style equal to, you can specify how much height it should be. So I'll be giving height as 400 px and width as also 400 px. So that's done. So what we have done is we have added the corresponding widget and added style equal to height 400 px and width equal to 400 px. So I'll be going into the UI, and once again I'll upgrade the corresponding module. So what you have to do is that you have to simply download this module, that is web widget model viewer, from the Odoo app store, or you can get it from the corresponding repository or from the OCA shop, and just add it in your instance, give it in the dependence of the module, just define a binary field and specify the widget as model viewer. So once that done, you can come to the corresponding form, and if I go to this form and if I open this and if I go to the model viewer, you can see the size has been got increased. So here you can see we can simply rotate and see all the 3D figures like this. Also we have the expand option, so that we will be seeing in the full screen like this. We can see all the part, and also we can zoom in and zoom out using the mouse itself. So that's all about this widget. And if you go to its documentation here, you can see a good example is defined here. So that's the use case coming in Odoo. In the case of the product, we can add such an option, like here you can see they have added 3D model viewer, and this is a simply a chair. You can see it can be rotated and seen in all angles, so the customer can get all the idea about the corresponding product. So they can zoom it and zoom out. So the module is model viewer widget. So I'll just add this link in the video description so that you can download it easily. So once that's done, you can see this functionality will get added. So I have added one other figure. You can see, you can just change it here like this. This is the model viewer widget. We can see the 3D animated figures here. And to exit from the screen, you can simply click on here. So that's all about this video. If you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe the channel so that you will be getting notified regarding all the upcoming videos. So have a nice day. Thank you.